Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wit, and we're back with another makeup tutorial. Oh my gosh, you guys love me so much. Like, I ain't know y'all love me like that. We are just a few subscribers away to 500. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. So I'm like so happy you guys are like enjoying the videos and just liking and commenting. Like, I love that. Please comment, you guys. Don't be afraid to ask me a question or anything like that. Let me know what videos y'all want to see so I could do it for y'all. But so today my client is going to her friend's dinner party, and we was talking a little bit. But she's a new client. I never had her before in my chair, and must I say, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. First off, I love her eyebrows. Can we do this all the time? Like, can we, talk about the client first, compliment them, and then we move on? Yes, we could do that, definitely. So I love her brows, like, period. It's like so cute. Like, I love it. It's so full and just boss bish, you know what I'm saying? So I love her brows. Nice full lips. Skin was on fleek. It's so clear and clean. Yes, I love it. So yes. Oh, and I love her eyes. Oh, I love her eyes. Yes, they're so small and like chinky. So I love that. Yes. So now, as you know, I go in with the same thing. Java from Morphe, and I fill in her brows. I'm going to leave all the products down below, like what I use. Because, girl, when it gets to the concealer, child, I just be grabbing and going. And I just be forgetting what shade I done use. But all I know is that I'm using Milani concealers. So, yes. So, if you're new to my channel, what's up, girl? What it is? Like, what's up, girl? Like, at this point, we homegirls. So, yes. So, I will leave that down below, and you guys could check that out. So, here I am going in with a foundation. Now, for the top, I use foundation. This is how I go about as, like, finding out what shade, my client is, if I'm having trouble as far as like trying to figure out. So I go in with the shade that I feel like, maybe this is her shade. Let's check it out. So this is me doing that. And this shade is Tahoe, and I realized Tahoe is a bit too light for her. So I went in with Tahoe at the upper part of her face, like when I'm about to highlight. So you'll see that shortly into the video. So here I am going in with some MOM. Listen, beat me up later, okay? Beat me up later. You guys have to understand, like, my clients literally ask for this because, it's so hot right now, and they just be like, listen, girl, I ain't trying to use that. Give me that MOM, and let's just chop it up later. So I'm using MOM on her, and I did purchase the Cameline lotion. Cameline lotion. I can't say, y'all, but I'm gonna use it today on a model that always asks for MOM, and I'm gonna try to see if she likes the Cameline lotion. If she does not, we'll just have to figure out what other primer to use. But I do have a bottle of the MOM, and it's almost done. So let me get through with that bottle, and then we'll, change it up. So don't leave, don't unsubscribe me now. But, yeah. So now, I went in with the Tahoe from Nars in the upper part of her face. And then I went in with 330 from Maybelline Superstay Foundation on the lower part of her face. So the 330 kind of matches like really well, and then the Tahoe, it just like it matches, but it's just a little too light. So here I am just blending out her foundation. Yes, I'm just blending it out. At this point, I was just like, I was a bit nervous. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be real. I was a bit nervous as far as like the foundation. Um, I was just like, dang, like I should have went more in with 330 from Superstay, like all over her face. But I was just like, we'll fix that along the way. I'll see how that goes. So I went in with some concealer to highlight. Mind you, this look is a natural beat. So yeah. So I went in with some concealer to highlight, and I'm just using my Real Technique brush, my setting brush to set her concealer in. And here I am going in with Juvia's Place contour stick and Ginuea or something like that. And I am just using this brush to blend that all out. Also with the contour, I was just like, this looks nice, but I think I need to go a little darker. And so that's what I did, but I didn't show you guys. I kind of went a little bit darker off camera. So like the tone of the contour kind of changed from being like that light, that light contour. I kind of went a little bit darker. And here I am contouring her nose, and then now I'm using my beauty blender to apply setting powder. And I'm just setting underneath her eyes. Everywhere that I concealed, I am just setting. Because mind you, she told me she was oily. So I like to take care of my oily girls. And I like to make sure that I am setting everywhere that needs to be set. So here I am going in with some contour powder, and this is from Black Radiance, and I'm just going in with some contour to set the cream contour, and I'm just setting that with Black Radiance from light to medium. And I'm going in with setting powder now to basically carve out all the contour. And now I'm just setting all the areas that I concealed. And here I am going in with some blush. Now I'm going in with Trendsetter, and I'm lining up his lip. Now I'm going in with Cairo from NYX liquid lipstick, and I'm just using this applicator to apply that. Period. Now I'm going in with MAC face powder, and I'll have the name listed down below on what shade, but I believe it's NW44. And I'm just basically taking away all that setting powder from her face. I don't know why I said faced. Now I'm going in with Sephora liquid liner, and here I am I'm just creating a liner, not like a full winged out liner, but just a liner just to apply her lashes, because I don't want it to look too bland, you know what I'm saying? So I just put a little bit of a liner there, and then I'm gonna go in and apply these lashes. Period. Now I'm setting that with my setting spray from Morphe, and then here I am going with Morphe highlighting palette in the shade Spark, and I'm just applying that on her nose, her forehead, her chin. And this is the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for the love. Bye.